Hey, we good here? Good. I'm getting back to work.
I
What, what,
introduced.
what was his brother's name?
I don't even know what his name was.
Yeah, I don't think he ever introduced. I don't think they ever gave his name. But two episodes ago, we did the topic of gambling being a problem or the precautions of gambling, warning of gambling, whatever. And this was the guy, and maybe he learned his lessons with the gambling towards gambling, because in this one he was just gambling with his own life at this point.
By a dog with fake money.
Still in that pocket.
Paying
He
fake
playing,
kind
man.
of
He
money.
playing. Look at that bullshit.
That's crazy, bro. Come on with the games, bro.
Stay out of my truck. Stay out of my truck, man. You me out of my truck, man. His dog. That's his dog. That's a dog? Pick it up. That's his dog, sir. Look how dog acting with. That's our dog. Pick it up.
Appreciate it, brother. You going to jail for no reason, bro, but dog, bro?
Is that the same dude?
Playing with your life by trying.
That's
From the
the
barbershop?
same dude.
No, it's man.
Same dude. Going outside.
He got the same demeanor and everything.
to buy a dog with some fake money. I remember this program. Oh,
I remember you.
oh! Now don't get your hands out your pocket. Hey, man, you trying to get a dog for
They said he about to get shot.
$700, dog?
Crazy.
A $5,000 for 700?
That crazy.
What you do to that, bro?
Oh, he tried to give him $700.
We showed him, man.
This man
man,
done got
That's hilarious.
He gave him $700 real dollars, and the rest was fake. Oh,
Bro, what in the world? What's wrong with this guy, man? What's wrong with him?
damn. Counterfeiting is illegal, you dummy.